Another beautiful butterfly peacock bass. Some males, got the hump on the head. Gorgeous fish.
I'm tell y'all, hey, it's something to it, man. You gotta eat good. You gotta eat good. See, when you eat good, oh, they just come on up out the water. Gotta eat good. Eat fresh.
This program is in no way affiliated with Subway or their entities.
So we can cut that check though.
They certainly
They
can.
can cut the check if they want.
They
Then
can
we'll
cut
be
that
affiliated.
check. They can cut that check.
But for legal purposes, we are no way affiliated.
Man, look how white that bottom.
Kelly just moved in off the lake.
Just moved in. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yep.
Let me just get back out there.
Well, they're fired up. Uniform.
Yep.
All right. I think you found the spot. You did say this was the hole.
I don't know why he didn't bring us here to begin with.
Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah. Now this is what we are talking about. You have to book with Captain Ricky. If you're not convinced now, I don't know what else we can say.
So, as it pertains to Florida exotic species, and we talk about the 5-pounders, like now we are in the conversation. Now it is real.
This is what people come from all around the world to come and catch right here.
Look
South
at that
Florida's
thing,
best.
man.
Right here in Palm Beach County, in the parks of the Palm Beaches.
And this is the great thing about the parks in the Palm Beaches. You can launch at any single one of the boat ramps, come to any single one of these bodies of water, and catch these amazing fish. Get out here and get it done today.
Coming up next, more tight lines and rod bending action. This week's hotspot is Palm Beach County's Okehele Park. Okehele is in the center of the county and there's plenty of bass there to keep the adults entertained, but Okehele is all about kids fishing. Okehele is a part of the FWC's urban fishing program. They stock the lakes at Okehele with panfish and catfish, and there are fish feeders to keep the fish active and healthy all throughout the year. It's an awesome place to take the kids, wet a line, and hook up with all those panfish and bass. While you're at the park, make sure to check out Okehele Nature Center. It's an awesome place to check out wildlife like owls and reptiles and explore the beautiful nature trails. So make sure to explore the Nature Center after catching all those fish.